It's your girl, Tarfa ChakravorDIY. Happy summer, y'all! So today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a hair wrap. And by the way, this hair wrap is going to be done on Neeba. So you guys are going to need this like fancy string that Neeba has. It's really cool. This is going to be our design. So we're going to have the light blue, dark blue, and then both the purples are going to go after. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, guys, a hair wrap, if you guys don't know what it is, it's basically like a strand of hair like wrapped in a lot of strings with like lots of colors and like stuff.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to be ruining my life, but moving on. So I'm going to be doing a DIY hair wrap. This is sort of what we're going for. You can like wash your hair with this and it stays in for like a month or like more if you want it to, but you can also just like chop it off. So to start it, you braid your hair into like a really tight braid, and then you have to rubber band it at the bottom. We're gonna be using one of my rubber bands that I use for my
braces to tie it because they're nice and tiny.
Perfect.
Okay, so I just braided Neeba's hair, and now what are you doing, Neeba?
So I'm tying a knot at the top of the braid, and that's gonna be like our starting point.
Wow, that is really cool.
Ready to go.
Tarfa is surprisingly doing like such a good job. I'm so impressed. This is what it's looking like right now. We have like purple, blue, all the different ones. And like, how's your experience?
It's actually like surprisingly easy, but like also like I am a natural queen, so I guess it's not that surprising, you know?
Right. I mean, like, I'm like a natural model, like, don't you agree?
Sure. So guys, Neeba is playing Fortnite, but this wrap thing that I just did is really nice. You guys can see, just make it look like that. And then when Neeba opens her hair, which she might do later, it'll look really pretty. So guys, Neeba did one on me. This is the one I did on Neeba. So this is the finished look, guys. I think it looks really good. What do you think, Neeba?
Yeah, I think it looks really good. I mean, mine is pretty like tiny, so I can like put my hair down and then like you can't really see it, which is kind of snazzy. But then like you open it up and it's like, whoa, you know?
Queen.
And it's just like, wow, like who
Wow.
knew you were so legendary?
You know, Neeba, I think you're a really good
Me too.
rapper.
Me too.
Rapper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the little notification bell. Love you all.
Look, you can make a mustache.
Bye.